Have you ever thought about making the switch to an electric car? It's not just a way to save money on fuel, but also a step towards a more sustainable future. Here are 10 electric car tips for sustainable living. Tip 1. Charge smartly. Take advantage of off-peak hours to charge your electric car, reducing the strain on the power grid and helping to lower emissions. Tip 2. Embrace regenerative braking. Electric cars capture energy when you brake, converting it into power for the battery. So, let your car do the work and recharge itself while you drive. Tip 3. Get to know your range. Familiarize yourself with your electric car's range to avoid any surprises. Plan your trips accordingly and use the many available charging stations to avoid running out of juice. Tip 4. Practice efficient driving. Accelerate smoothly, maintain a steady speed, and anticipate stops to maximize your electric car's efficiency. It's not just eco-friendly, it also prolongs your battery's life. Tip 5. Keep it light. Unnecessary weight in your electric car reduces its range. So, clean out the trunk, remove rooftop accessories when not in use, and travel lightly to get the most out of your battery. Tip 6. Regular maintenance is key. Just like any vehicle, proper maintenance ensures your electric car operates at its best. Keep an eye on tire pressure, get regular checkups, and follow your manufacturer's recommendations. Tip 7. Utilize eco-friendly accessories. Invest in solar-powered chargers and utilize environmentally friendly materials when it's time to replace your car's interior. Every little bit helps make our planet greener. Tip 8. Share the ride. Carpooling and ride-sharing are fantastic ways to reduce emissions. Chat with your neighbors, join online communities, and discover the joy of sharing the road with others. Tip 9. Second life for your battery. After your electric car's battery reaches the end of its useful life on the road, consider repurposing it for energy storage in your home or as part of a renewable power grid. Tip 10. Spread the word. Share your electric car experiences and encourage others to make the switch. Small actions lead to big change, and together we can create a greener, more sustainable world for future generations. Thanks for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more sustainable living content. Together, we can make a difference.